Hello and welcome to my Thumbnail Blaster review video. In my Thumbnail Blaster review, I am going to give you a sneak peek at Thumbnail Blaster. I'm going to take you inside the software and I'm going to show you exactly what it does. It's very, very simple to use once you get used to it. Um, it's cloud-based, so you don't have to worry about installing anything on your computer. So you can access it from any computer that has the internet from anywhere in the world. So let's go ahead and get started. So inside Thumbnail Creator, this is the Thumbnail Creator here, and you have several options. You can import from a video link, which is going to import a thumbnail image that you can go ahead and get started with right away using uh, the existing thumbnail in the video, or you can start with no video. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click start with no video. Something else that you can do, and I have not done here, is you can sync up your YouTube channel to this, and then you can automatically push the thumbnails that you create with Thumbnail Blast. You can automatically push them to your YouTube video without even downloading the video or downloading the thumbnail and uploading it yourself. So you have that option as well. I don't do that because I like to keep local copies on my computer just in case I need it again, and I use them elsewhere as well, such as social media when I share them. So you have that option as well. It's a really cool feature. So I'm going to click on start with no video here, and here we see um, several options here. These are um, filters. So predefined are the ones that are done for you templates that automatically have come with the software. They come ready to go. You can use them right now. As soon as you purchase the software, they're ready to go. The club is the purple ones, and they are the ones that are in an upsell. The club is an upsell. It's a monthly membership, and they will give you new templates every single month. There are a lot of them though, so I will scroll down and I'm going to show you how many there are. There are a ton of them under club, so if that's something that you might be interested in, there is an upsell. It's a membership to that. You can check out the current pricing on all of this down below. If you click on the link, that'll take you straight to the sales page. And then my templates are templates that you have saved, and it shows up there. So I'm going to take my templates off, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to show you all the green ones that say use template. They are going to be the ones that actually come with the software right away, right out of the box, all the green ones. So you can pause this video at any time and take a further look at what you get right out of the box here. But the purple ones down here are the club ones. There are a lot of them. So I'm going to scroll down. That one's pretty cool, one with the alien. I don't have the club, so I'm going to scroll down little by little and show you exactly what you get with it. There are local stuff in here. There's all pretty much any niche that you can imagine is in here. So there's all kind of cool looking things in here. So it just keeps going and going and going and going. There's a Minecraft one. I really like that one, that Minecraft one. If you're into gaming, let's see, going and going and going. It just goes and goes and goes. You get the idea. So you can look at that in your leisure if you get the club upgrade. So if you really are getting into YouTube and you use YouTube a lot, so you might want to get the club version. Just look and see what's in there first before you grab it. You can grab it at any time. You don't have to get it right when you sign up. It's going to push it right when you sign up, but you don't have to get it right when you sign up. You can purchase the front end product, and then you can look in here and see maybe something that you might want to do later, and you can do that later if you want. So I'm going to take the club ones off, and I'm just going to look at the ones that are in it right when you get it. So as you can see, there's a really good variety that it comes with. There's some gaming things, there's e-commerce, Shopify, there's some clickbait stuff in here. There's um, this one is just basically a broad one here. You can use this for anything. Same with this, you can use this for anything. Um, so a lot of these you can use for anything. This one you can use for anything, and this one here is good for reviews if you do reviews. These are how. This is an how-to one that focuses on YouTube. This is one for kids. This is an Amazon review. Um, I'll open this one up just to show you the different layers and stuff that you get with these. But as you can see, there are lots and lots of different templates that you can use. So I'm going to click on Use Template here under this Amazon review video, and I'm going to use this one because I want to show you the type of things that you can do with it, the layers and how everything pieces together inside. So everything here is editable, so you can edit every last bit of this, and they're all in layers. So if you look at the layers tab, this here is the layers. If you click on that, there are 3 layers. There's an image here, as this is probably the image here. Your title is here, and then go here is here, and then this here, this guy here is the background image. You can change the opacity of the background image if you want. So this whole image in the back with this guy with his hands on his face is the background image. And you can't move it, but you can move it here if you want. See, you can move it there, but I'll just move it back into where it was. All right, that looks fine where it is. So your title goes here. So we're going to go and I'm going to go and grab something off of Amazon just to show you. Let's do Amazon. And let's do, oh, here's some Black Friday stuff already. Beginning of November, and we're getting into Black Friday already. So we'll just click on this. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a screenshot of this. We'll do this. All right, so we've got a screenshot. And okay. So we're going to do Philips. Let's do Philips smart bulb review. Okay, so we'll do, you can edit the title here. Philips smart bulb. You can make this look a little bit better if you want. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it. Okay, and then this image here, I'm going to change out. Now you can delete it or you can go over top of it. You can resize it if you want. So what I'm going to do is this, and I'm going to just going to upload my own image. And if I go to images here, I can upload image. And let's see, where is it? Where is it? It's in here somewhere. Somewhere, there it is. All right, so here's my image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it here at the top. You know, I can rotate it. And I'm going to get it towards that border there. That's about right. Then we're going to make it bigger. We need to make it a little bit bigger here, so all right, so let's do this. Oops. All right, so it looks about right. It looks about right where we want it. Okay, so what we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to make sure that it's behind all of these words. So we are going to move it with the within the layers. So we want to put it behind review. So we're going to take it where the word says review. We're going to put it review, and there it is. And there we are. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it a little bit. I'm a perfectionist when it comes to this kind of stuff. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, and there it is. That took us, what, 5 minutes to do? Just It just goes to show you how easy that this can be done with a template. You don't really have to make much changes at all unless you want to make your own templates, and you can do that by creating your own. You can click on start from scratch at the beginning, and then you can just create your own. You can save, hit the save and continue, and you can name it as a template. So, in order to, you don't, if you save and continue this as is, it'll overwrite the template. So in order to save a new one, just change the number at the end. That's usually what I do. And then you can save as JPG. If you hit save as JPG, it's going to save it down here. It's going to put it down here and save it to your default download folder, wherever that is. And you can go ahead and rename it. You can upload it to YouTube on your own, or if you hit save and continue, let's take save and continue. And if we had it set up to where we had our channel set up, we could hit publish, and it would publish that directly to the video. We can save it as PNG file as well if you'd rather do that. You can save it with a watermark. So that's how you use Thumbnail Blaster. Thumbnail Blaster is very, very simple. It's an easy to use YouTube thumbnail creator software. You can also use these thumbnails with any social media platform as well, not just YouTube. I've used it with Twitter, Instagram, Facebook as well. So doesn't work just with YouTube. You can use it for other social media platforms also. So I want to thank you for watching my Thumbnail Blaster review. If you found this video helpful to you, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be doing more review videos just like this one. And if you do want to check out Thumbnail Blaster, the link is down below. You can pick that up right down there. And current pricing is on the sales page. You'll get that as soon as you click that link. So thanks for watching my Thumbnail Blaster review, and I'll see you in the next video.